Let's go to know how to make or generate GIS bill in this video. First, log into the finassam account. Now, go to Others Bill and click on GIS. Month and year are OK. Now click on the plus symbol for create a form. Now fill up the pop-up form, withdrawal type, saving withdrawal, annexure A. Employee category general, head of account will come automatically. Sanction number and sanction date fill up according to the sanction order. Sanction authority details and authority designation fill up according to the sanction order. Purpose, we can fill it like this: GIS of retired employee name, and his her designation of office name. Now click on Save Bill. Now click on Edit. Click on plus symbol on right side. Now select the pensioner employee and click on Add. Now fill up the GIS amount according to the order. And click on Save Details. Click on Go Back. Now click on Generate. Fill up the bill date and bill number will auto-generate it. Click on Generate. Bill has been generated. Now we can submit this bill to the treasury. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe the online office channel. Thank you. Take care.